Welcome back to Ndoke's kitchen. So today I'm making this lush looking vegetable soup using Ukazi, spinach and another secret ingredients. Let's get into it. Into my well seasoned protein, I've added palm oil. We are going to stir to combine and cook for about 5 minutes. Having cooked for 5 minutes, we are now going to add grounded oporo. If you don't like to cook with oporo, you can use plain crayfish. At this point, we're going to stir to combine nicely. After cooking for about 3 minutes, we are now adding our secret ingredients, which is Oziza. Guys, you know the flavor and the aroma from Oziza. We mix to combine. The next will be our Ukazi. I blended the Ukazi to get it a very fine texture. You can use a mortar to pound your Ukazi, but for easy peasy, just throw it into the blender. Now we already mixing to combine everything together, and we are going to allow to simmer. Guys, take a look. It's beginning to look delicious already, and we haven't even finished. Into our pot, we are now adding prawns or shrimps, and I'm going to add some smoked fish as well. This is not dry fish, so it's soft and tender. We're going to add everything at this point and combine to mix. Thank you guys for watching my video today. Let me know where you're watching me from. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and leave me your comment. So we are going to mix nicely to combine. Guys, I tell you, the aroma from this Ukazi and Oziza is out of this world. It seems as if the food should be done already. All right, for the rest of the oporo, which is the crayfish, and by the way, I added Scotch bonnet pepper into the oporo to blend. I'm adding now the salt to taste. We don't need to add any other seasoning cube because the stock from the protein is very, very delicious. Guys, the last will be our spinach. So we are going to add our spinach at this time. So guys, let me know if you have done this combination before. Have you cooked spinach, Ukazi and some Oziza before? Let me know in the comment section. We are now going to combine everything together to mix. As you already know, spinach, especially baby spinach, doesn't take time to cook. So at this point, our food is almost ready. We are going to allow it to simmer, and it is all good to go. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this recipe or if you have made this kind of recipe before. I tell you, this was very delicious, very fresh, so lush. You can see the green is greening. And our food is here and our food is ready. At this point, my heat is off and my food looks very delicious and it tasted absolutely delicious. Try this recipe. You're not going to regret it. Thank you guys for watching. Just look at Negodi. Well, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and leave me your comment in the comment section. Thank you all.